Check out the massive number of views this channel receives for its space-related programming. The engagement is tremendous, and I guarantee you that the market is far from saturated. In this detailed video, I'll walk you through the whole process of creating fascinating space content for any social media network with no copyright issues. We'll work together to create a one-of-a-kind video from beginning to end, so stay until the end to understand the entire concept. Step 1. Script generation. To begin, we need a script, and there are two very effective ways to accomplish this. The first method uses ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model. I initially requested it to present me with an intriguing tidbit about the Milky Way. After obtaining an intriguing fact, I sought a gripping hook to present the information. When the initial attempt failed to match my expectations, I used an example to lead it, which resulted in the required hook. For this project, I'll use the first segment of the created hook to guarantee that our video starts strong. The second strategy entails locating a viral video related to your topic. For example, I selected a video about the Milky Way that has received an impressive 2.1 million views. After copying the video URL, I utilized the transcription tool to transcribe its content. After creating an account and logging in, I went to the transcription page, pasted the URL, and hit the transcribe button. To avoid potential copyright issues, I copied the generated text and had ChatGPT reword it for me. This strategy ensures that our script is built on a solid foundation of previously effective content. Step 2. Obtaining AI images. Visuals are critical components of compelling space information. To capture high-quality photos, we will employ the outstanding Leonardo AI. Begin by going to the specified URL. If you view this movie again in the future, you may discover new functions, so feel free to use them. For the time being, use the picture generating area to create still photographs. I created some images by entering a simple concept, such as beautiful Milky Way, and selecting from a variety of prompts. Adjust your parameters for a brief format, and if the results aren't good, experiment with alternative prompts until you find what you're searching for. To download the images, divide your video into various sequences. This will assist you determine which photos to create for each section. Visit pexels.com for stock footage. To enrich your material, download videos that meet the parameters of your script. Another important component is background music, which we will source from Pixabay. It provides a diverse selection of copyright-free music that can help your video's emotional effect. Step 3. Voiceover. A fascinating voiceover can help your video become more engaging and professional. Begin by signing up for free, which gives you 10,000 characters at no cost. Choose the voice that best matches your topic and create the voiceover. When ready, download the audio. To give you a sneak peek, here are the top 5 points about the Milky Way that we'll cover in our video.
The Milky Way is a fascinating and vast galaxy that houses our solar system. It has a diameter of roughly 100,000 light-years and includes over 200 billion stars, one of which is our sun.
Step 4. Video editing. I recommend CapCut, a free video editing software available for both desktop and mobile platforms. I'll teach how to use the desktop version. After downloading CapCut, start a new project. On the side of the screen, there is a Modify button. Click it to adjust your project's name and video size, which is normally 16.9. Next, select the Import option to add all of your photos, voiceovers, music, and videos to the editor. Begin by dragging the voiceovers onto the timeline and verifying that they are in the proper order. Next, drag the video footage above the voiceovers. Arrange the images carefully to correlate with the script, therefore visually strengthening the narrative. This is an important stage, so take your time and ensure that everything is properly put. A well-arranged video will keep the viewer's attention and increase overall engagement. Once the basic structure is established, it is time to add transitions between movies and images. CapCut provides a variety of transition effects that can greatly improve the flow of your video. Transitions will help your video look more polished and professional. You can also add video effects to enhance the visual attractiveness. Browse CapCut's effects library and choose ones that complement your content. To keep a consistent appearance, make sure the effects are appropriate for your specialty. Step 5. Adding captions and final touches. Captions are vital for accessibility and can boost viewer interest. Go to the text menu at the top, then Auto Captions. Pick English as the language, then generate the captions. CapCut will automatically generate captions for your video, which you can subsequently tweak for accuracy and flair. Change the fonts, colors, and text effects to make the captions your own. Engaging subtitles can enhance your video's attractiveness and help retain viewers. Consider using text animations to make the captions more lively and intriguing. After the captions are in place, add the background music to the timeline. Adjust the music volume so it complements the narration without overpowering it. Clear audio is essential for efficient communication, so emphasize it in your final modifications. After you've completed these steps, check your video to make sure everything is in order. Make any necessary changes to improve overall quality. When you are pleased, export your video in the format you prefer. Your end product should be a well-written, compelling piece of content that will attract your target audience. Creating interesting space material is a rewarding activity that can reach a large audience. Follow these procedures to create high-quality films that stand out on social media. Screenplay generation, AI picture acquisition, professional vocal recording, and precise video editing. I hope you find these recommendations useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the future video. Happy content creation!